Welcome back to the Next DIY Lawn channel. My name's Nathan. I have a YouTube channel called Pacific Northwest Lawns. And if you remember last fall, I did a series of videos on the seeding overseeding package here in my backyard with a full renovation. It's come in really well. Really proud of the results from the seeding overseeding pack. But just like the rest of the country, we're starting to get pretty warm. And there's a couple steps I like to do during the hotter summer months to help protect this and keep it from going dormant all season long using 402 FloraGreene and D-Thatch. So let me show you exactly how I do that. Okay, with the 402 FloraGreene, I like to use 15 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And then with the D-Thatch, I like to use 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet, which is recommended on the bottle. So if you're going to mix these two together, I recommend you using a backpack sprayer so you can dilute it with more water. I don't know that I would try this in a hose-in sprayer, but you can mix these two, works just fine. Use an air induction tip through your sprayer if you have one, and then just be sure to water it in when you're done. The 402 FloraGreene contains 4% nitrogen, that's 2% urea nitrogen, and 2% aminnomical nitrogen, 2% soluble potash, 1% sulfur, and 1.5% iron. It also contains 8% humic acid and 2% cold water kelp. The kelp will help with root growth and help relieve some of the stress from the summer heat, as well as that soluble potash. D-Thatch contains 4% humic acid, molasses and yeast blends, and what that does is it activates the microbial growth and breaks down the thatch layer and help release nutrients into the soil and even out that thatch layer for you if you have a tremendous amount of it. Don't mistake this for debris in your yard. That's a little bit different. Now it might break some of that down, but that's not thatch, that's just debris. But the whole purpose is that it adds humic to the soil, increase a little bit of root mass and depth, and break down any decaying plant matter. So D-Thatch is really good stuff. Really should use it above anywhere from 75-85 degrees. Perfect time to use it. It's more heat activated, so summer is definitely a great time to use D-Thatch. So that's it. Thanks for visiting the Next DIY Lawn channel. Don't forget to go over to my channel if you want to see further updates. Subscribe over there. Don't forget to hit the like button here. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll keep an eye on it. There'll also be a link to my channel either in the description or I'll put it in a comment. And thanks again for watching the Next DIY channel.